Just say something. Watch out for them sand squinches tonight.
Look at the puppy. Does he look exactly like one of them Sam Squinch monsters? Look at him. It's a Sam Squinch.
Where's your kitty?
Where's my kitty? Don't even know. Follow.
Oh, I almost get in the dirt.
I don't even know where my kitty cat is. It's probably out wrestling with the other ones.
So where's Ricky and Julian?
Well, Julian's out, feeling his drink, and Ricky's probably out in the weed, picking, getting all primped and ready for summer, it's just a lonely day out for me, not much to do. Hi, everybody.
Tell me how you do making out with the candy tonight, Bubs.
Oh, well, I'm hoping to fill this Star Wars thing. But, last couple of years went so we'll see what it's like this year.
Alright, Bubble. See how you make out. Talk to you.
Bubbles,
Okay.
can you see out of them glasses?
Of course I could see out of my glasses.
Alright.
Stop your laughing. We put it on YouTube.